This chicken sajji is incredible. Look how juicy it is. Good morning. Okay guys, let's dig in. This crispy one looks amazing.
Wow, that crunch. And the juicy ones are incredible too.
All right guys, welcome back. This pizza is insane.
Oh my god, the chicken is so good.
Seriously, best fries I've ever had.
Wow, this is the best meal we've had all week.
Definitely worth the hype. The noodles are incredible.
This Greek chicken is absolutely incredible.
This crunch is insane, right?
And the sauce on this burger is
Perfect.
We have to come back here next week.
That crunch was everything. Seriously, the best golgappe I've ever had.
And the noodles are so flavorful. This is the real street food experience.
Look at this spread. The butter chicken is with the naan.
Check out this lava burst pizza. The cheese pull is crazy. And the tandoori chicken is perfectly cooked. We're diving right in.
This sriracha burger is incredible. The chicken parm is perfectly crispy.
Look at that bite. I'm conquering this beast.
You're gonna wear half of it.
Don't mind him, more pasta for us. This is delicious.
Oh my god, this is incredible. The best egg burger I've ever had.
Wow, this is amazing. The best I've had in a long time.
Absolutely delicious. The chutney is perfect.
This is incredible.
The spice hits you right away, but the flavor is just amazing.
You have to try this.
These tenders are amazing. Try the pizza bread, it's incredible.
Pass the chili fries down here.
These are incredible, so juicy. And the chutney packs a punch.
This quesadilla is everything. Seriously, best burrito I've ever had.
Get the cheese dip.
This saag is absolutely delicious, Mataji.
Yes, and the parathas are perfect with the white butter.
Have some more, eat heartily.
These are incredible, so juicy. And the chutney packs a punch.
Enjoy the wings, everyone.
Chef, these are the best wings in the city.
Seriously, incredible flavor.
Wow, this is so good. You have to try it. Oh my goodness, it is perfect.
I told you the marinade was special.
Enjoy the wings, everyone.
Chef, these are the best wings in the city.
Seriously, incredible flavor.
The red Thai crunch is unbelievable.
Yeah, the curry sauce and the veggies are a perfect match.
This is so good. Wow, I love how crispy these are.
This is the best street food in Mumbai.
Definitely.
The spice is incredible. This looks absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it really does. I think they're ready.
Welcome, right this way.
Wow, this burger is delicious. I'll have another one.
I am so glad we ordered these.
The chicken is perfectly cooked. Highly recommended.
2 plates coming right up.
Make it spicy, bhaiya.
Wow, this looks amazing.